Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange your founder's point with a coins. So let's get started by tapping store, and as you can see there are some options here like FC point and gems, division rivals, live events. Welcome to FC Mobile and this one founders. This is what I want to show you, a discount coin pack. So you can get small amount of coin 40,000 of coin using this one, a founder's point that can be earned from season transition and used to acquire pack in founder store. So if you need small amount of coin like this, you can trade it by 10 founders point for 40,000 of coin. And also this one standard coin pack you can get 25,000 of coin by using only 10 founders point. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.